DRYDOCK is a Swedish-based company located in Gothenburg, and it originates from the time all the way back to the TBT ban. The initiative started to find something which is powerful when it comes to anti-fouling performance, yet harmful to the aquatic environment. That's the idea. And Selektope is a molecule, an active molecule that will deter barnacle larvae from the ship hull. So actually it calls for a reflex to swim, making it impossible for the barnacle to settle on the hull. It's discovered from active research to find something addressing the biggest topic in anti-fouling problem, which is dealing with hard fouling, because if hard fouling is attached to the ship hull, you get severe friction adding to the fuel bill. So the target organism was to find something for dealing with barnacle settlement, and by using biology competence and cross-disciplines from other scientific areas, they were able to discover the detailed mechanism of the settling behavior, whereby they could search for substances to somehow make a difference or interrupt that settling behavior. Selektope is a unique technology, making a different approach to the old problem of fouling. And it's unique, but supposed to be non-exclusive, meaning we work with everyone if possible. So we sample and work with many of the major paint makers, and we have expanded our customer base to also work with what we call tier 2 suppliers, maybe with a more regional profile or some niche area. But it takes time to validate products, but we work with many. Since quite many years we've had approvals in Japan, China and Korea. Recently, after a quite long validation process or approval procedure in Europe, we have been approved also in Europe, which we're very glad for. And the reason being is we are out on the other end with an approval not only for commercial vessels but also for pleasure vessels, which is not the case for all the substances. Besides, quite a number of substances has disappeared during the screening process from the authorities. So we're happy to be out on that side. So far we have not any approval procedure in US and Australia and New Zealand. The rest of the world is not regulated the same way. So it means we have access already today to the majority of the world, the major places where shipbuilding and dry docking are taking place. The benefit is we are compatible with all the anti-fouling technologies. We're not strictly to be seen as a clear alternative or in fierce competition. We will coexist with the other coating systems. There will be high-grade copper in combination with Selektope. There will be low-grade copper paints with combination with Selektope. There will be copper-free alternatives based on Selektope, and might be in the future even alternatives with silicones. The important factor is we enhance the performance of the paints, as well as we add some freedom to operate for the paint makers by replacing some other biosols.